Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are embarking on a journey into the world of homeopathy and shining a spotlight on a homeopathic medicine with the unique healing properties. So yes, I'm talking about Gelsemium. So if you are curious about homeopathy or seeking natural alternatives for certain health concerns, then this video is definitely for you. So watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. So join me as we unravel the characteristics, indications, and potential benefits of Gelsemium in homeopathic medicine. So let's talk about Gelsemium sempervirens. So Gelsemium as a homeopathic medicine is prepared from the bark of the root of a plant that is Gelsemium sempervirens. It is commonly known as yellow jasmine. It belongs to the family of flowering plants which are known as Logoniaceae. So, to prepare homeopathic medicine gelsemium, the bark of the root of this plant is potentized. Potentization is basically a process by which homeopathic medicines are prepared, and this process extracts the medicinal properties of this plant and hence converted to Gelsemium sempervirens. Gelsemium is mostly used to treat various complaints of anxiety, headache, vertigo, cold, nasal allergies, and weakness. Now, next we'll talk about the constitution of Gelsemium. So, this medicine is mainly suited to the people who are irritable, sensitive, anxious, and nervous type, and those who suffers from weakness. Apart from all these, it is also suitable for the peoples having dullness, drowsiness, and dizziness, along with the other health conditions. Now, next we'll talk about the drug action of Gelsemium. So, this medicine has a major action on the mind, where it helps to treat anxieties and fear. It acts on the muscles and offers relief in the muscle pain and muscle weakness. Other than this, it has marked action on the nose, where it helps to manage cases of nasal allergies, cold, and sneezing. Now, next, we'll talk about the clinical indications of Gelsemium. So, this medicine can be used successfully for migraine, vertigo, depression, epilepsy and seizures, facial neuralgia, cervical spondylosis, ptosis, nasal catarrhs, earache and otorrhea, hypertension and hypotension, liver pathologies, heartburn and acidity, asthma, gastric troubles which are associated with nausea, diarrhea and constipation, nausea and vomiting, loss of seminal fluids, menstrual disorders, and threatened abortion, paralysis, paraplegia, locomotor ataxia, and intermittent fever. Now, in order to make it understandable to you people, now one by one, I will be explaining each and every indication in an elaborated manner so that you can understand it very well. About scope of a gelsemium as a homeopathic medicine. So its first section is on the mind complaints. So let's talk about it. So gelsemium is one of the most effective homeopathic medicine which is used to treat complaints of mind. Firstly, it is indicated for treating anxiety issues, and among anxieties, it stands prominent to treat cases of anticipatory anxiety, that is, anxiety about something that is going to happen near future like examination, meeting or traveling, etc. In cases needing gelsemium such as anticipatory anxiety is attended with loose motions, and apart from all the anxieties, including anxiety about health and about future, are also treated well with this medicine. Secondly, people having fear of appearing in the public as well treated with this medicine. It is also very useful homeopathic medicine for the people to overcome complaints of stage fright. Other than these, it is a top grade homeopathic medicine to overcome bad effects of fright, some exciting news, bad news, and emotional shock and grief. Now, next, we'll talk about the action of Gelsemium on vertigo. So, this medicine can be of great help in vertigo. Vertigo means a sense of spinning. It mostly helps people who complains of vertigo from sudden movement of head. Next, it is indicated for vertigo that arise when walking. Along with vertigo, blurred vision is usually present. Other symptoms like a person Other symptoms that a person may experience with all these symptoms are heaviness of head and fullness feeling of the head. Next action of gelsemium is on the headache. So this is a renowned medicine to treat headaches. Person who need it usually have headache located in the back part of the head, that is occiput. The pain from back of the head may also extend to the forehead and eyes. The patient feel as if a band is tied around the head. The headache further worsens with mental exertions. The patient feels relief from headaches when the pressure is applied over it. The patients who complains of dimness of the vision and double vision can also benefit from this medicine as it had produced excellent result in treatment of both these ailments. One may also use this medicine to get relief from headaches arising due to cold. Next use of Gelsemium is for the eye complaints. So this medicine has shown remarkable result in various eye complaints. Here it is majorly used to treat ptosis, that means drooping of the upper eyelids. Here a person feels the upper eyelid is heavy, he can hardly open the affected eye. Its another indication is blurred vision and double vision, that is diplopia. So people needing it for blurred vision also have attending pains above the eyes. Double visions when looking specifically sideways is a characteristic feature that calls for gelsemium. Next use of Gelsemium is for the cold and sneezing. So it is a natural medicine to treat cases of cold and sneezing. Most people needing it complains of sneezing early in the morning time. They also have tingling and fullness in the nose with sneezing. Along with it, they have cold and watery running discharges from the nose. The nasal discharge is excoriated, that makes the nostrils red, sore, and raw. Dull headaches, weakness, fever, and muscle aches along with cold is frequently experienced. It is a top listed homeopathic medicine to treat tendency to take cold on every change of weather. And other than all these symptoms, it is one of the best medicine to treat cases of allergic rhinitis and hay fever. Next use of gelsemium is for the diarrhea. So stress and anxiety can affect the gastric system. When we are distressed, signals are carried from brain to the gut via chemical messengers. And as a result, some people may suffer from diarrhea due to anxiety. In such cases, this medicine offers excellent result. Anticipatory anxiety is the anxiety about something that is going to happen in near future. For example, some people experience diarrhea before the important meetings, events, and when going for an examination. The diarrhea that result majorly from such anticipatory anxiety is very effectively managed with this medicine. And apart from all these symptoms, diarrhea that arises from grief, fright, and after listening of bad news is also suggestive of this medicine. Next use of gelsemium is for the neck pain. So this medicine is of great service in treating neck pain. Who requires this medicine suffers from severe pain in the neck. They may complain that the pain extends from the neck to the head, then to the shoulders. There is a stiffness in the neck, and dizziness along with the neck pain may be present. This is a top listed homeopathic medicine which is used to manage neck pain and stiffness in the cases of cervical spondylosis. Cervical spondylosis is basically a degenerative changes in the spine of a neck region. Next use of gelsemium is for the weakness complaints. So it is a very useful homeopathic medicine for managing the cases of severe weakness. Along with weakness, pain and soreness in the muscles is present in people needing it. Other than this, dizziness and drowsiness are marked with weakness and muscle aches. It is also highly recommended for the cases of chronic fatigue syndrome. Next use of gelsemium is for the complaints of upper limb. So when it comes to the upper limb, this medicine is well indicated to treat trembling of the hands, muscular pain in the arms, and writer cramps, means involuntarily muscle contractions in the fingers and hands while writing. Now, last use of gelsemium is for the fever complaints. So, it is a very beneficial medicine for the cases of fever. Here, it is used when there is a fever with chilly sensation, body aches, and weakness, yes, and restlessness, or some other symptoms a person may have along with the fever symptoms. So, these are the various conditions where gelsemium can be used successfully. The next, we'll talk about the doses. So, firstly, we will talk with the lower potency, that is gelsemium 30. So, lower potency is given when very few symptoms of the patient match with the gelsemium and help the doctor only to diagnose the disease condition. And this potency requires frequent repetition 3 to 4 times a day till the expected result is seen. Now, gelsemium 200. This is considered as a higher potency, and they are given when the majority of the mental symptoms and the physical symptoms of gelsemium medicines are matched with the disease individual. Higher potencies are advisable to be not repeated very often. They act for a longer duration. So, second dose is repeated every 7th or 15th day once. Next is Gelsemium 1M. So this is a very high potency. One should give it only after careful case analysis where all the medicinal symptoms of the gelsemium and that given by the patient match perfectly. And one should not repeat 1M potency. It is given 30 days once and waiting for the symptoms to disappear. Next is Gelsemium mother tincture. So the mother tincture of Gelsemium is used by many homeopaths to relieve the mental symptoms which are associated with emotional stress and grief, sadness after the loss of their personals. And it has a marked action on the nervous system, and it is highly effective to treat the lack of coordination in the muscles. It is also useful in hypertension, cold and flu, nervousness in the children, to reduce anxiety and many menstrual related disorders like suppressed menses and dysmenorrhea. So how to take it? So just take 10 drops of this mother tincture of gelsemium in half a cup of water and 3 times a day till the improvement occurs. Now, gelsemium 3x or 6x. This lower potency of gelsemium works well to treat the conditions like migraine, depression, and anxiety, muscle pains, drooping of eyelids, minor losses, and many heart and respiratory diseases. For 3 drops of dilutions directly on the tongue thrice a day for 3 months. So these are the various doses and the various potencies of gelsemium. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, helpful, and especially valuable, so please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of homeopathy and natural healing and holistic health. So thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of gelsemium in homeopathic medicine. So take care until next time. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from any of the health issues, you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen, you can see how to contact us. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.